Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for the second part. And this one's going to be a very quick one because there's a candlestick that is being printed out, and this is going to be confirmed in the next 35 minutes. So basically, I just wanted to bring in the critical update as well. Yeah, so today I was talking about in the morning how Bitcoin is looking to actually go down to this level, but as long as you're still holding the 0.618, you're not looking to actually go down there. So what Bitcoin is actually doing is going above the 37,400, and that's something that you want to see. So there's two scenarios that I talked about 2-3 days ago, and that was scenario number one. You have this A, B, and a big C correction. Okay, so that's still not invalidated, and it could be in play. Okay, and this could even find your bottom right there. But then again, there's a candlestick that I want to show you that is actually a candlestick to pay attention to, and that's called as the ladder bottom. I'm just gonna bring in this ladder bottom of that one. So let me show you how they look like, and this is how they're gonna look like. So this is the first example. You have like the three black rows, an inverted hammer, and then a big bullish hammer. Now I'm gonna tell you this one step by step right there. What I'm gonna do is actually open up Bitcoin into a different exchange so that we can see clearly. All right, so here's Bitcoin in a different exchange. Now I'm on the 4-hour time frame, of course. And when you see a ladder bottom after a downtrend, that actually means a reversal is going to go up. So this was your first red candle, second red candle, third red candle, an inverted hammer, and then a big bullish hammer. And it's actually meeting all the criteria to be the bottom of, to give you the hint of reversing to the upside. Why? Why am I saying this? Because the inverted all right, so this is the three black rows. Okay, that's done. The inverted hammer is there, that's already done as in the image. The green bullish candle is actually bigger than an inverted hammer. So do you see the size of inverted hammer? If I try to actually zoom in right there in detail, that's bigger than this inverted hammer that you see, and it actually qualifies to be called a ladder bottom right there. And when you see a ladder bottom, it actually continues to the upside as well. We do have another image right here, so this one also is nearly the same as this one. So don't get confused that we have a three black rows, we're gonna go down. Candlesticks are they have a very small difference. This one is what you see. So you have the bullish ladder bottom, by the way. So that's it for this update, and I'm expecting from here you have a small relief to the upside, perhaps to 39k. One more thing that I noticed, because in the morning I didn't notice when I uploaded the video, so I'm just doing this right on time. So here we are, and I expect this to be a falling wedge basically. So that's a falling wedge that we are breaking out. And where do you go back to? You're looking to go back to almost 39,231. So I'm actually going to drop that blue horizontal line right there, and that's where you're actually looking to go towards for the relief. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.